Hello, welcome back to Cloud and Data Science, and in this video we're going to learn how to create a pie chart using Google Spreadsheets. As you already know, pie charts are a great way to visually represent data in a percentage way. So let's get started. So first you need some data to create the pie chart with. So here I have some example test scores, and after you have data or numbers you have to highlight them. So after you highlighted them, go to Insert and click Insert. And then if you look down, you'll find Chart. Click on Chart. And then it'll load with the chart, but we don't want a histogram, we want a pie chart. So click Chart Type, and then scroll down and you'll find Pie Chart around here. And you could choose what type of pie chart you want. So you could choose a normal pie chart, or you could choose a pie chart that's more donut shaped and hollow. Or you could even choose a pie chart that's kind of like 3D shaped. So for now we'll use the normal pie chart. And in this pie chart, we could see the percentage of how many students got a specific grade. And also in Google Sheets, we can customize it. So we could go over here and click Customize. And then you could change the color of each slide if you want, slice if you want. So you could choose a specific slice, like slice 5. And if you want, you could change it to a different color. And you could also change the distance from center. So you could do like 25% if you want to move this way and show it visually. And you could add some X and Y axes, and you could change the titles. And you can also add a legend, and you can even position it in like the top or bottom or somewhere. And now you have a pie chart. So that's it for this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And have a great day. And also check out these new videos.